Text, Greystar, the global leader in rental housing. River Rock at Shingletree. 55 plus, equal housing opportunity. Tom, River Rock resident.
We looked at several houses in the area and we wanted to buy a home. We also looked at renting a place. We just thought the amenities here made this place better than the other ones we've seen.
An aerial view of the River Rock at Shingletree complex in Carolina Shores, North Carolina. Alicia and Joe, River Rock residents.
We heard about the community through our realtor. We were looking for a place to stay, and he said, "Oh, let me take you over to this new place. I've never been there, but I've always wanted to check it out." So we all came together, and Michaela was there, and she showed us this unit actually, and it was just so nice. We were flabbergasted how nice it was, and we thought, you know what, this seems like a really good fit for us.
A recreational area features wide sofas, armchairs, and circular tables along with a kitchenette and a television.
We love the amenities here. We use the swimming pool a lot. We have the gym that my wife and I go to every day. My wife more than me. We also love the clubhouse where we can have drinks with our neighbors, play cards with our neighbors.
A group of people sits together at a large table in the clubhouse.
Shingletree at River Rock, they're very pet friendly here. And I have a beautiful dog. Her name is Bella. She's a curly-coated retriever.
A leashed Bella walks on the River Rock at Shingletree grounds.
Our dogs weren't real socialized because, again, we were alone in Vermont. And a car went down the street, that was the highlight of their day. So imagine when you see people and you see dogs, and put that all into the mix. But it's a beautiful dog park.
Dogs of different sizes play together in the River Rock at Shingletree Dog Park.
My favorite thing of the community is very quiet, but yet there's so much to do here. River Rock's great. They'll provide all kinds of activities for us to do during the week.
Groups of people use a billiards table in the clubhouse. People give cheers with beverage cups as they sit out on the patio near an electric fireplace.
We love pickleball. We play it here. They've got a nice court here. It's very good. And Alicia, my wife, had never played pickleball before. And she was not much of a sports person at all. I mean, no tennis or not even bowling or anything like that. She just didn't click with her. But the first or second time I got her out there, she realized she could do it. And she had so much fun.
Groups of people enjoy a meal together in the clubhouse.
I think it's better, like, as in this community where they put out a calendar and all that stuff is pre-scheduled and all you really have to do is show up. Sometimes you have to bring a little bit of food or a drink or something like that, but just show up and socialize and make sure that the community has that.
Decorations in the clubhouse include tall green faux floor plants, as well as oceanic paintings.
River Rock markets an active lifestyle for 55 and older, and they are very successful in achieving that goal. My biggest advice if you're moving to River Rock is get engaged with the community activities.
A person waves to their River Rock neighbor as they ride past them on a bicycle.
Wanted to be social. We were actually kind of isolated in Vermont. We had some friends, but everybody lived far apart. I told her the other day I thought that there's so many people that lived in Vermont that live on dead-end streets, and they just like nature more than they like people.
That's why I found this place so nice, because there were so many people just gathering and talking, and book club. I think my favorite thing about the community is that it feels like family to me.
A person grills food as people gather together on a patio.
We're traveling extensively. River Rock gives us the opportunity to travel and leave everything behind, and the maintenance-free environment enables us to get away when we want to.
One of the primary new interests, I don't know if it's a new interest, but one of the primary interests is walking on the beach. And we've also done some exploring of the beaches.
The shoreline at sunset.
River Rock, it's our home, and we love it here.
Text, River Rock at Shingletree. Greystar, the global leader in rental housing. 55 plus, equal housing opportunity.